Alright, I was able to fix my Line 6 Spider Jam. Had an issue of restarting with like a buzzing noise. It would just shut itself off randomly. When it was on, it would work 100%, but it would just randomly pop itself. I was able to help other people in the past. I have a PS4 video fix that is one of my most successful videos, so I'm going to try again on this one. This is a Line 6 Spider Jam real quick video. I disassembled the thing. It just has some simple screws on the top and the side here, and you can remove this top, but make sure that you remove this switch because you need to in order to be able to remove it when it's standing up. Just trust me on that, do it. Anyways, if you're having the issue of it restarting and buzzing and not maintaining power, I went inside and switched on the motherboard. If you look right here, so here's like, you know, the front, here's the master volume right here, here's the power switch, right? Of course, because I'm safe, I have it unplugged. Anyway, you go to this one here. Mine was plugged into the 240 or 220 volt side. And in the US we use 110 or 100, so I switched it to this plug, which is actually marked as 100 volt. So this like may have been sold in the UK or some other part of the world where they use 220, and it makes it back to the US. So if you have a problem with your Line 6 just randomly buzzing and turning off and restarting, try taking it apart. I'm going to continue to play it. I'll show it to you that it turns on. Before, it wouldn't turn on anymore at all. So I'll just turn on the switch here. And as you can see, starts right up. No problem. Lights good to go. 100%, right? By now, before it would have restarted, buzzed a bunch, and been non-functional. I was about to toss this thing in the trash. That would have been a huge waste. Luckily, I have somewhat of a knack for this. So again, Line 6 Spider Jam. If you have problems with it restarting, buzzing, not maintaining itself, switch it from the 240 to the 100 volt on the circuit board. And I'm going to continue to play it and test it further, and I'll comment later, but this seems to have solved my issue so far. It has not turned off since I've switched that, so I wanted to take a video before I reassembled it, which is, again, pretty straightforward to work on. So I just saved myself $400.